Explore the Southwest Florida environment at the Rookery Bay Environmental Learning Center. Located just minutes from Naples and Marco Island, the center shines a spotlight on 110,000 acres at Rookery Bay National Estuarine Research Reserve. Beat the heat by enjoying our air-conditioned 2-story visitor center. Junior scientists can have a look inside a real research laboratory, see plankton on our microscopes, or climb aboard the research vessel Dolphin for a mock on-the-water encounter. Meet some cool critters at our Estuary Encounter interactive marine life exhibit. Learn about horse conchs, hermit crabs, urchins, and more. Or check out the Climb-In Bubble in our 3,000-gallon mangrove aquarium. Explore our observation bridge and floating dock, and find a great souvenir or gift at the Palmetto Patch Nature Store. Check our website for hours of operation and details about our special family fun programming, including Kids-Free Fridays and Science Saturdays and National Estuaries Day. Come and visit us at Rookery Bay Research Reserve, yours to explore, enjoy, and protect.